Okay, once again, welcome. Okay, we'll be using this foam booster to make our liquid soap. Stay back and watch to the end, and you will see the intrigue in it. Oh, hello, once again, you're welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for the time you have spent watching my video. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, you are really welcome. Okay, today I'll be converting this my foam booster to an liquid soap. Like I told us the other time, I said I will be using foam booster for the liquid soap. Okay, so we are welcome, and this is the foam booster. I have about a liter there. And so what is the next thing I'll be doing? I'll be adding some of these chemicals there. I'll be adding the sulfonic acid, and I'll be adding my color. I will add my color and also fragrance. The fragrance of your choice will be okay for that. To be adding any of your fragrance there. Okay, so I'll be taking it one. You can see how thick. I remember it's been for some days I did it. You can see how thick it is, and I say I'll be putting us through how we can. I said we'll be putting us through we can use our foam booster for our liquid soap also. So you can see how thick. Of course, when you want to use this one, you want to have used this one like this, you have just added more water because it's so thick. But if you wish, you could have just used it like that too. At least it will take small quantity. So I like to measure my things, so I will be adding to it sulfonic acid. As I said, I have my scale here. Okay, I put on my scale, and then I'll be like the other way I taught you. You do it like this, and then you can see it's now 0. So whatever I'm adding to it now is going to be the exact quantity of the whatever I'm adding now is going to be the quantity of the sulfonic acid I'm putting there. Okay, I'm adding 100 to it. Okay, you can see it says I have 100 100 gram of sulfonic acid. So I'll be pouring into the foam booster. Okay, so let's go there. So I'll be producing about 3 liters of the liquid wash here, liquid detergent. Okay, so I can add my water now. I won't mix this with it. I can add my water to it. Okay, so you can be adding your water. You can see I'm rinsing this plastic. So you can mix, and then you wash your consistency. As you are mixing, you are washing your consistency. Okay, we are producing 3 liters. If you are watched to this extent and you are here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and put on your notification bell. Okay, let me tell you, I have an ebook which I'm not sure you'll be so interested in. It has to it has recipes that you can practice at the comfort of your home. Okay, so look at it now. You can see our liquid soap is getting set. So you can see our soap. You can see our liquid soap getting ready. Okay. You can see it. Very, very thick. Very, very thick now. Okay, so we are going to allow it to settle. We are going to allow all this foam to settle, and then when it's completely settled, we'll come back to show you. At this time, you can add your color, or you allow it to settle, either of the two. So I will add my color to it now, so that it will settle together, and then my fragrance. Okay, I'll be using green color. The color is yours. The choice of the color is yours, but I'll be using green color. And when you use it, mind you, you use water soluble color at this time. Water soluble color. Okay. What happened? I thought it's green I have in this container. What happened? Oh, this thing has mixed up. I'm sorry, so sorry. There's something has mixed up. Okay, this is alright. So you can leave it like this and wash. When it's settled down, we'll come back to it. Okay, thanks so much for staying till now. Okay, I'll be putting my fragrance now. Let me put my fragrance at the same time. The fragrance of yours is 5 mils is enough. If you like, it depends on how you want it. Let me make it 10 mil. I want it to come out very, very nice. Oh, the odor is everywhere. The odor is everywhere. The smell is so nice. This our soap is very, very thick. When we come back, we come and sew it. I wonder what happened though. I used this green color. The color is wonderful. And that was how I used pink color, and it later came out to be purple. These colors at times you cannot predict them. They're all the same. Let's wait and wash how it's going to come out.